Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately by prepping and applying controlled heat. Heat the dented area for 30-60 seconds with a hairdryer or heat gun at about 200 degrees F. This expands the metal and relaxes the stainless. Once done, cool quickly with an inverted compressed air can to create rapid contraction. Make sure to clean the surface first so tools adhere properly. You do this because expansion then contraction often pops shallow dents without forceful tools, reducing the risk of finish damage. Once the heat-cool cycle has softened the area, attach a medium suction cup and pull straight out. Maintain even force to avoid creasing. If the dent does not budge, access the inner service panel and push gently from behind using a plastic or rubber-tipped implement. Work from the outer edge toward the center. You should alternate gentle pushes and pulls, reapplying heat when metal stiffens. Make sure to protect the finish with cloth or tape, and keep strokes short to prevent stretching the stainless. You finish by addressing minor high spots. Place a wood block on the outside and tap lightly with a soft mallet, moving outward to even the surface. This flattens residual ripples. Once flat, clean and polish with a non-abrasive stainless cleaner and a microfiber cloth to restore luster. If the dent remains or the finish chips, stop. Make sure to consult a professional dent technician or arrange a door panel replacement. One troubleshooting tip: if pulling creates ripples, reverse to gentle pushing and reheat before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.